I have an alternate idea to the 50-year fixed mortgage that's being floated around, and I would love to get your opinion. Uh, like I said, the 50-year mortgage is being floated. Some people think it's a great idea. Some people think it's a horrible idea. And this idea, I think, is going to be a nice alternative to it. Get the seller to pay points for the buyer. I'm actually shocked they're not seeing other people suggesting this. When I worked in the mortgage industry, I encouraged the realtors I worked with to get money from the seller to help buy points for the buyer. And I did the same thing as a realtor. Now, granted, in 2020, it was a lot harder to do with the way the market shifted. But now that we're seeing more and more sellers opening up to the idea of closing cost assistance, you might be able to get them to buy points for you. Some of you will know, some of you already know what I'm talking about. But for those who don't, you can actually buy a lower interest rate. And the way you do that is you pay points. Points usually 1% of the loan amount. By the way, the program is typically called the permanent buy down, just so you can talk to your lender about this. You pay a point, 1% of the loan amount, and you get a lower interest rate that's about 0.25%. So you pay 2 points, you get 0.5% lower on the rate. If you can get the seller to pay those points for you, you get the benefits of the lower rates. You're not locked into the 50-year mortgage, and your closing costs didn't go up. Again, I know everybody's got a different situation when it comes to this, when it comes to closing costs, but it's an idea to think about. What do you think?